Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by using Quick Assist, the built-in remote control method on Windows 11 Home. Sign into the Home PC with your Microsoft account so security prompts work. Once done, make sure Windows Update ran recently and both machines are online and awake. Open Start, type Quick Assist and run it now. This is the first actionable step. You don't need to enable full remote desktop. Quick Assist generates a secure code and handles permissions for temporary remote control. Next, choose Give Assistance if you are the helper, or Get Assistance if you're the Home PC user. The helper will sign in with their Microsoft account, and Quick Assist will generate a 6-digit security code. Once you have the code, verbally or via a secure chat, send it to the other person. Make sure to confirm identity. Once the helper enters the code and clicks Connect, you'll receive a consent prompt. Accept it and grant the exact permissions Quick Assist requests so the session can start. During the session, use the Quick Assist toolbar for remote control, chat, or file transfer. Remember, UAC prompts still require the local user to approve elevated actions. When finished, click Stop Assist to immediately cut control. The code cannot be reused. If something goes wrong, first verify both PCs are signed into Microsoft accounts and can access the internet. Then check Windows Firewall allows Quick Assist and that no VPN is blocking connections. Reissue a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.